Yes. Good morning students. Today we will study new chapter, chapter 6, whole and parts fractions, part 1. What do you mean fraction? A fraction is a part or parts of a whole. What is a fraction? A fraction is a part or parts of whole. Now for example, I discuss this example. This is a circle. Then I divided into 4 parts. How many parts I divided into? 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 1. Then I divided into 4 parts. This 4 parts is called a fraction is a part or parts of a whole. That is a whole circle. Then I divided into 4 parts. This is the fraction. Now look here. I shaded in one part. I colored in one part. Now what is the fraction of this colored part? That is the, what is the fraction of this shaded part? Now first you write the shaded part. How many part I shaded? One part. First I write 1. Then you draw a line. Then how many parts are unshaded, not colored? 1, 2, 3. This 3 part. Then here I write 3. Okay. This is colored part. This is uncolored part. That is, this is shaded part. This is unshaded part. Now the total part. How many total part? 1, 2. This also you take 1, 2, 3, 4. This write here. Then this also total 4. How to read this number? How to read? 1/4. Here 3/4. The top of the number, that is this top, is called numerator. What do you say? Numerator. Then the bottom of this number we called denominator. The top of the number, that is above the line, is called numerator. Below the line is called denominator, that is the bottom of the. Now you say, which is the numerator here? 1 is the numerator, then 4 is the denominator. How to read this? 1/4. 1/4, 1/4, 1/4. Now, which is the numerator here? 3 is the numerator, then here 4 is the denominator. How to read this number? 3/4 or 3/4 or 3/4 or 3/4. Another example. This is which shape? This rectangle shape. I divided into in 8 parts. How many parts? 8 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Then I shaded in 3 parts. I colored in 3 parts. What is the fraction of colored part or shaded part. What is the fraction? First you count the colored part. 1, 2, 3. 3. Then the total of the part you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is our denominator. Then how to read this? 3/8. TH also add 3/8. 3 then hyphen 8. 3/8. TH also adding. Then 3/8 or 3/8. Now I ask you, what is the unshaded part? What is the unshaded part? 1, 2, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 by, what is the denominator? The total part. How many? 8. What is the unshaded part? 5/8 or 5/8. Now write the numerator and denominator. Here 1/3. Which is the numerator and the denominator? 1 is the 1. Numerator is equal to 1. Denominator is equal to 3. 7/15. Which is the numerator here? 7 is the numerator. Numerator is equal to 7. Denominator is equal to 15. Understand you? The above the line is called the numerator, below the line is called the denominator. Here 7 is the numerator and 15 is the denominator. Then write the fraction. Write the fraction. Here numerator 3, denominator is equal to 4. Then next denominator 8. Then numerator 5. Make a fraction. First we write numerator 3 by denominator 4. The above the line is called the numerator, below the line is called the denominator. Then second fraction, here the numerator 5 numerator and 8 denominator. Understand you? Numerator and denominator. Now like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike fractions. Like and unlike fractions. Three by 8, 4/8, 5/8. Look here. Here all the denominators are same. Here all the denominators are same. That fraction is called like fraction. When the denominators are same, that fraction is called like fraction. Understand? Here 1/4, 1 by 3, 2 by 5. Look here. Here the denominators are different, not same. Here the denominators are not same or different. That fraction is called unlike fraction. This is like fraction. This is unlike fraction. Understand you? Then again one more example. 3 by 15, 2 by 15, 1 by 15. Which fraction is this? Which fraction is this? Like fraction. Because all denominators are same. Then 8 by 27, 3 by 8, 5 by 3, 1 by 4. Look here. First denominator is 27, second denominator 8, third denominator 3 and fourth denominator 4. Here all denominators are different. Which fraction is this? Unlike a fraction. Which fraction? Unlike a fraction. Now, fractions in number line. How to show the fraction in a number line? 3 by 4. This is our fraction. How to show this fraction in a number line? We draw a number line. We start with a 0. That is, we divided this line in a, how many line segment we divided? 4. That is, our denominator is 4. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, then this 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now, we represent this fraction in a number line. This is 1 by 4. This is 2 by 4. This is 3 by 4. Here we represent this fraction. This is our fraction. Understand? No. One more question. 2 by 5. This is a number line. How many line segment we divided this number line? 5. Our denominator is 5. Okay. Then this line we divided into how many line segment we divided? How many parts we divided? 5 parts. That is, here we start with 0. 1, here 1, here 2, 3, 4, then 5. Okay. Then our fraction is 2 by 5. Where we put this? 1 here, 2 here. 2 by 5. This is our fraction. Understand you? One more question. This is a number line. How many parts we divided into this? How many parts we divided into? 7 parts. Here 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. Then our fraction is 5 by 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here we come. Then you color this. This is our fraction represent in number line. Understand you? Okay. I give some homework for you. You do in book. Do question 1 of exercise 6.1 in book. This is in fraction coloring also this. Do question 2 exercise 6.2 in book. Thank you.